Here you go. Do you know what's in here,
Jackson? I
Jackson?
have no idea what it is. Oh my goodness. I still don't know what it is. In Her Majesty's. Her Majesty's Royal Navy.
Tic-tac.
A.M.S. Bowie. London. There's more.
Background noise.
I think I could be right.
I just thought it was because you were in the Navy, and
What is it?
It's a telescope.
Cool.
in the box says Her
Very cool.
Majesty's Royal Navy.
How neat is that?
I was looking for sailing type stuff, and I blew my gas. I already told you about the knot, so I was like, I can't get a knot. And I
How
saw
cute.
that.
Does
I
it
thought
work,
was
honey?
kinda neat.
No, that's wonderful. Yeah, I'm old. For a kid from the Midwest, I'm amazed at how much I love the ocean and love the Navy and love the